Hello and good afternoon, students. Today we shall start the topic differentiation. In the last class, we have already revised the calculus part of standard 11. You have seen how we differentiate, how we get how we use first principle, and after this we shall discuss about chain rule. So now we start some problems from differentiation. See, differentiate the following with respect to x. Your first question is log sin x. In very first step, consider y as log sin x. So let y is equal to log sin x. Then we have to find dy by dx because it is function of x. So now consider this sin x as u. Then y becomes log u. This is function of u and x. So while differentiating, we will get du upon dx. So differentiate u. Then du by dx will be left side and right side. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, and y is equal to log u. So differentiate it, we will get dy upon du. So dy upon du, and differentiation of log u is 1 by u. Now multiply them. So obviously after multiplication, the left hand side will be dy bata dx. So multiply them. We have du upon dx into dy upon du, and in right side we have cos x into 1 bata u. Du and du should cancel here. How much left? Dy upon dx, and in right side cos x bata u. And now write down the value of u, which is sin x. So cos x bata sin x, that is cot x. So in this way we differentiate. The next question is log sin x square. As usual, consider it as y. So y is equal to log sin x square, and it requires to find dy upon dx. Here you have three functions. One is log sin x, log sin x square. So first consider x square is equal to u. Then it should becomes y is equal to log sin u. Apply another substitution. Put this sin u as v. V is equal to sin u. So finally we have y is equal to log v. As usual, differentiate again them. So differentiate u with respect to x. It should be du by dx, and differentiation of x square is equal to 2x. According to formula, differentiation of x to the power n is equals to n into x n minus 1. According to this formula, similarly, this is function of v and u, so differentiate them with respect to u. This should be dv bata du, that is cos u, and finally dy bata dv is equal to log v. Again multiply them. So in left side we have du bata dx into dv bata du into dy bata dv. So see carefully, du and du should cancel. Similarly, dv and dv should also be cancelled. So how much left here? Dy by dx, and in right side we have 2x into cos u into 1 bata v. So 1 bata v means 2x cos u bata v. Now write down the value of u and v. You have considered u as x square. So it should be cos x square bata v. V means sin u. V means sin u, and put the value of u again, then it should be sin x square. sine x square. So now see carefully. I think it should be clear. And see here, cos theta upon sine theta is cot theta. Here instead of theta we have x square, so cos x square upon sine x square is should be cot x square. So your result is 2x cot x square. This is your result. Now students, see another question. Differentiate y is equals to e to the power sine x square. So here instead of theta, here is x square, angle is x square. So apply chain rule. See first another method, chain rule. I have already said dy bata dx. So here d, I have said last day that left one term. So here left first e. So d e sine x square upon d sine x square. This is again multiply in numerator d sine x square. The next term left will be sine. So how much left? dx square into dx square. Here power should be omitted. So how much left? dx. So finally check after cancellation, it must be d upon dx and y is e to the power sine x square. So now here differentiation of e to the power x. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x itself. So here e to the power sine x square. Similarly, differentiation of sine, that is cos. So it should be cos x square into differentiation of x square, which is 2x. Finally arrange them. 2x sine x square into cos x square, e to the power sine x square into cos x square. Now this problem should also be done by using proper substitution. See another method. Consider u as x square. See the same question in another method. U as x square, then it becomes e to the power sine u. So put v is equals to sine u, and finally it becomes e to the power v. So y is equal to sine v. Multiply them, then it is c du by dx, which is 2x, dv by du, that is cos u, and dy by dv is equal to cos b. So this same question can be solved in this way. Now multiply you all of them, then after multiplication, see properly, after multiplication in left side we have seen that du should cancel and dv should also be cancelled. How much left? dy bata dx should equals to 2x cos u into cos v, e to the power x square, e to the power sine, it should be e to the power v, that is e to the power v. So 2x cos u means cos x square into e to the power v. E to the power v means e to the power sine u, and e to the power sine u means e to the power sine x square. So in this way, means by substitution we also solve the same question. You can use both methods are correct while forming chain or by applying substitution. Now see another question. So the next question is y is equal to log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, then find dy bata dx. Here apply substitution, put pi by 4 plus x bata 2 is equals to u. Then this reduces to tan u, and again put tan u is equal to v. Then finally we have y is equals to log v. So now differentiate it. Du bata dx, because this is function of x, du bata dx, pi by 4. Pi by 4 is constant number, so differentiation of pi by 4 is 0, and 1 bata 2 into x, so differentiation of x is 1. So finally we get du bata dx is equal to 1 by 2. Other hand, dv bata du, differentiation of tan u, that is sec square u, and differentiation of log v means dy bata dv is equal to 1 bata v. Now multiply all the three differentiations. Then in left side we have du bata dx into dv bata du into dy bata dv, and in right side 1 bata 2 into sec square u into 1 bata v. After cancellation, see, du and du should cancel. Similarly, dv and dv should cancel. Only dy bata dx is left. And right side 1 bata 2 sec square u, put the value of u, that is pi by 4 plus x by 2. So sec square pi by 4 plus x by 2, 1 bata v. 1 bata v means 1 bata tan u, and 1 bata tan u should be written as cot u. See here, cot u, and finally put the value of u, then it is cot pi by 4, 1 bata v means 1 bata tan u, that is cot pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is your result, cot pi bata 4 plus x bata u. As see here 1 bata v, 1 bata v should written as 1 bata tan u, and 1 bata tan u is cot u. Cot u means cot pi by 4 plus x bata 2, which is your answer. The next question is, if y is equal to cos x minus sin x bata cos x plus sin x, then prove that dy bata dx is plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. So with 10 light show. Y is equal to cos x minus sin x bata cos x plus sin x, then prove that dy bata dx plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. See what is given, y is equal to cos x, y is equal to cos x minus sin x bata cos x plus sin x. In trigonometry, you know its simplification. First, divide numerator and denominator by cos x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x. So cos x upon cos x becomes 1, minus sin x upon cos x is tan x. Similarly, in denominator it becomes 1 plus tan x. Now this tan x should be written as into tan x into 1. So 1 minus tan x means tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So tan a minus tan b bata 1 plus tan a into tan b, this is formula for tan a minus b. Now differentiate. So for differentiating, put pi by 4 minus x is equal to u. So y is equal to tan u. This is u and x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get du bata dx. differentiation of pi by 4 is 0 and differentiation of x is 1. So finally it is minus 1. And dy bata du is sec square u, differentiation of tan is sec square. So sec square u, and write down the value of u, that is pi by 4 minus x. Now come on to LHS from the question. What is LHS? dy bata dx plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. So here LHS is dy bata dx plus y square plus 1. So our LHS is dy bata dx plus y square plus 1. dy bata dx means du bata dx into dy bata du plus y is given tan pi by 4 minus x. So it should be tan square pi by 4 minus x plus 1. See, after putting these values, we will get minus sec square pi by 4 minus x plus tan square pi by 4 minus x plus 1. So between first and second term, take minus as common. Then sec square pi by 4 minus x minus tan pi by 4 minus x plus 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta. You already know formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So it becomes minus 1 plus 1, which after cancellation becomes 0. So in this way we differentiate it. Now students, come on to next question. Find dy by dx when y is equal to sin x plus x square bata cot 2x. See, cot 2x in numerator becomes tan 2x. So just change it, sin x plus x square into tan 2x. See, there are two functions of x. One is sin x plus x square, another is tan 2x. So apply product rule. This is also written explained in last class, u into v. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. You may write here differentiate both sides with respect to x. So left side dy by dx. U, consider first function as u. So u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. Just put accordingly formula. And the next step, sin x plus x square, that is u, differentiation of tan x. What is formula for tan x? That is sec square x, and instead of x here it is 2x. So differentiation of tan 2x is sec square 2x into differentiation of 2x will be 2 plus tan 2x. Now differentiate them. This is sum of two terms, so differentiate them separately. Differentiation of sin x, which is cos x, plus differentiation of x square, this is 2x. So just simplify it if possible and arrange them into simplest form, that is 2 sec square 2x into sin x plus x square plus tan 2x into cos x plus cos 2x. This is your result. You may also differentiate according to quotient rule, u bata v. U bata v, you also differentiate, that will be also correct, your result. So here product rule is applied. Now see one more question. If y is equal to sin under root sin x plus cos x, then find dy bata dx. See, this is one of the complex term. First consider u as sin x plus cos x. So put u is equal to sin x plus cos x. Then how much this becomes? sine under root u. So again consider this under root u as v. V is equal to under root u. Then y is equal to sine v. This is our substitution. Now differentiate them accordingly their function. Like this is function of u and x, so differentiate u with respect to x. So du bata dx. Differentiation of sin x is cos x and cos x is minus sin x. And this is function of v and u. So dv bata du, that is 1 bata 2 root u. And this is function of y and v. So dy bata dv is equal to cos v. In next step, see du by dx will be same. Just put down the values. U, we have considered u as sin x plus cos x. So this is 1 bata 2 under root sin x plus cos x. Cos v, v means under root u. And under root u means sin x plus cos x. So this is value of dy bata dv. Now multiply each of them. Then du bata dx into dv bata du into dy bata dv is equal to cos x minus sin x into cos under root sin x plus cos x and bata 2 root u. So bata 2 under root sin x plus cos x. So simplify if any of term be multiplied or cancels, and finally write down the result. That so dv should cancel, du should cancel. We have dy bata dx, that is cos x minus sin x into cos under root sin x plus cos x divided by 2 under root sin x plus cos x. So students, in this way we differentiate the problems. In next class, today we shall do some more problems of differentiation, some more difficult terms of differentiation. Thank you.